I wish that I'd had this running at the time when we was doing the description of. There's had to been something to remember the holiday by, wouldn't it?
Slow was just a complete. Probably just as worse.
Yes, you do. No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
You walk into our front room flexing all the time.
No, you do that.
You fancy doing that drop tower, Ewan?
Yeah. I'm doing it.
Jamie's doing it. He said whatever you do, he'll do as well.
Did you say that?
No, I did not say that. Absolutely not. If you want to do that, be my guest, but I'll be in the way.
Chosen one.
Huh?
Corral's the chosen one.
Oh.
You had to fill
You
it
got-
in.
Making me answer us though.
You get a present.
No, I just have to answer a bunch of questions.
Yeah. Ewan's going to do the drop tower, so Jamie's agreed to do it as well.
No, I absolutely have not.
Yeah, but
I ain't doing enough.
I'll do it.
yeah, don't bother with the ice because we're going to drink it up. Which one did you pick?
I got the tropical punch this week also.
Maybe it just took a while. It does stay now 5 seconds.
Finger on it.
Let's go test the speed.
Too late. Been captured. You realise, did you have a gust of wind by your ear then?
Pardon?
Did you have a gust of wind by your ear?
Absolutely not.
day of school.
Getting a drink. Out my way, please. Get away from me. Excuse me, can you get away from me, please? What do you want?
I'm not near you. I'm making observations. That's not a drink, that's ice. That's not a drink, that's ice.
Get a drink now.
What's a cloudy apple like here, Jamie?
Way better than it is in England.
What?
Way better than it is in England.
Is it?
Yes. Why is it like just film
You're
me
the,
make a drink.
you're,
Well done.
you're the star of this segment, Jamie.
Leave me alone now. You filmed me make a drink. It's just boring. It's just filmed me make a drink.
It's all content, yeah. What, from this angle, Matt,
Orlando's #1 hit music station all day. XL 1067.
Back up and right now. Okay.
oh yeah, we need to get a picture of our shirt for sure. We need a picture up on the wall and everything of that.
Where are we?
Okay, so go to Walt Disney and then there. Where are we?
So just keep going straight on.
Oh yeah, you're here.
Sorry?
Yeah,
I'll go to Walt Disney up there.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. It's July, not Christmas.
I thought it was going to be a big one long train coming along. Yay! Jessie finishes the train. Stop it, stop ruining the film. Have a look at these things down here then.
Oh my god.
Stop doing that! Get out of the way!
This is lots. I like cheese.
Anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you. Before I go in there and spend more money, I'll put you a present there. Don't look so scared, Jesus Christ.
Why is that all scary?
Because I want to see your reaction.
They changed it into M&M's as well.
Broken heart is all that's left.
Oh, I'll show you, but it's not any money touch. Spend it.
Stop looking at the camera.
No, I was just saying about the conversation that I was having with Rosa, that, yeah, Coral's fine. Yeah, we've lost your husband.
Do you know what he's just said?
More excited.
Do you know what he's just said?
No, because this has got everything on it. So if you guys didn't turn up, I didn't have the address to get home, I didn't have the app to get an Uber.
No, I thought of that.
Yeah, and
I
I was like thinking, if you guys go home, that's fine, but what am I going to do?
But we,
What you just told me that you tried to ring him?
Yeah, because I went to get services because I got yours and your number on my watch. So I went to get services and said, "Can I just use your phone?" Where was it a local number? I went, "Does it sound like it is?" There they are.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Oh. No, Jessie.
I shouldn't have had that nap.
You've had a nap? Oh, that's criminal, that.
That's amateur.
Oh, stay.
Get it out of my face, let me eat my donut.
Go on then, eat it.
I'm not eating it, I want to enjoy it.
Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Show everybody you enjoying it.
No, just sleeping. I don't have a nap in the car.
Come on.
How can I get to my house?
Anybody's going to
I'm really struggling, man.
Enjoy it, Jessie. Go on, enjoy it.
I don't think so.
I will sit here all night alone yet.
Oh.
This is TV gold.
Rude.
This is how all the pros do their YouTube videos, isn't it?
Your donut's still in the fridge, Gordon.
And I'm having to wait to eat mine because he won't get a stupid camera on my face.
Oh no, thanks, mate.